History shows us presidential elections likely move financial markets. While it could be days before we have the official results, U.S. stocks could feel the impact in the coming days or weeks because the market, they say, hates uncertainty. So what does that mean for you and for your money as well? We are here with Drew Kliber from Wilde Wealth Management Group. Drew, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me.
So why does the stock market hate uncertainty?
Well, uncertainty, the reason why the market hates uncertainty is because no one likes to know what's not going on. And right now, we don't know who's going to be the president. Right. We don't know what the policies are going to be. And so therefore, people kind of sit on the sidelines and kind of wait to see what's going to happen.
So how has the stock market been reacting? Any movement today that's been unusual?
Well, yesterday we were down. Today we had a very good day because people are kind of anticipating what we may think, who may be the winner. But we don't know for sure, and it may take a few days. So I would expect if we don't know by tonight and this kind of drags on, the market will show signs of volatility over the next week or so.
What does history tell us about the stock market and presidential elections?
History tells us that we don't really care whether it's a Democratic or a Republican in the White House. History tells us that over time, the markets do just fine, and politics aren't necessarily the driver of market performance.
Are they watching, are the stocks also watching the House and Senate races too?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, I mean, a unified government bodes pretty well for the stock markets. A unified Congress with a president of a different party has the lowest of the rates, and then a mixed Congress, which then shows us some checks and balances, tends to bode well for the stock market.
Okay, so of course I'm going to try to squeeze some financial intel out of you. Let's talk about how to protect our money and then how to maybe make some financial gains during this time. So how to protect what we have.
Sure. Well, right now, everybody's worst enemy is their emotions. And because we have the uncertainty here, people make drastic decisions based on their emotions, not based on a plan. So I advise everybody, if you have a plan, that takes most of the emotion out of it, and long-term investing is going to be by far your best option, and you're never going to be able to time it, especially when an election like this where we don't know, and it's going to be very close. I would say that stick with the plan, keep the long-term objectives in your mind, and just ride this out.
Okay. What about someone who might be a day trader? I mean, I feel like it's becoming more and more popular, even just a couple $100 on Robinhood.
Yeah, I don't do any of the day trading. I only do the planning and then long-term investing. It's tough, right? Because none of us know, none of us have our crystal ball. We don't know what's going to happen. Policies in the government can change everything literally overnight, and day trading is a very risky thing, so I don't participate in that one.
Yeah, so you're long haul. He's the financial planner after all. We're going for the long haul. Did you make any moves with your money that you'd want to share with us during this time?
Well, most of my clients are fully invested. I always keep a little bit of a percentage in cash. The fully invested is our long-term plan, and I have 3 buckets: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term for everyday needs, medium-term for 3 to 5, 7 years, and long-term that you forget about it. And if you have that set aside as your plan, the markets are going to do what they're going to do, the politicians are going to do what they're going to do, and Congress is going to do what they do. And
you do what you do. Stick to your plan.
Over time, if you stick to the plan, everything's going to work out just fine.
Drew, thank you so much. Great advice.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me.
It is time for Seen on Social.